Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi kids, do you like violence? Wanna see me stick 9-inch nails to each one of my eyelids? Wanna copy me and do exactly like I did? Try sit and get fucked up worse than my life is? My brain's dead weight, I'm trying to get my head straight, but I can't figure out which Spice Girl I wanna impregnate. And Dr. Dre said,
Slim Shady, you a basehead. Then why's your face red, man? You wasted.
Well, since age 12, I felt like I'm someone else, cause I hung my original self from the top bunk with a belt. Got pissed off and ripped Pamela Lee's tits off and smacked her so hard I knocked her clothes backwards like crisscross. I smoke a fat pound of grass and fall on my ass faster than a fat bitch who sat down too fast. Come here, slut. Shady, wait a minute, that's my girl, dawg. I don't give a fuck, God sent me to piss the world off. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is who? My name is what? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is who? My name is what? My name is Slim Shady. My English teacher wanted to have sex in junior high. The only problem was my English teacher was a guy. I smacked him in his face with an eraser, chased him with a stapler, stapled his nuts to a stack of paper. Walked in a strip club, had my jacket zipped up, blasted the bartender, then stuck my dick in a tip cup. Extraterrestrial, killing pedestrians, raping lesbians while they screaming, let's just be friends. 99% of my life I was lied to. I just found out my mom does more dope than I do. I told her I'd grow up to be a famous rapper, make a record about doing drugs and name it after. You know you blew up when the women rush your stands and try to touch your hands like some screaming Usher fans. This guy at White Castle asked for my autograph, so I signed it. Dear Dave, thanks for the support, asshole. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is who? My name is what? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is who? My name is what? My name is Slim Shady. Stop the tape, this kid needs to be locked away. Get it? Dr. Dre, don't just stand there, operate. I'm not ready to leave, it's too scary to die. I'll have to be carried inside the cemetery and buried alive. Am I coming or going? I can barely decide. I just drank and fit the vodka. Dare me to drive? Go ahead. All my life I was very deprived. I ain't had a woman in years. My palms are too hairy to hide. Clothes ripped like the Incredible Hulk. I spit when I talk. I fuck anything that walks. Come here. When I was little, I used to get so hungry I would throw fits. How you gonna breastfeed me, mom? You ain't got no tits. I lay awake and strap myself in the bed with a bulletproof vest on and shoot myself in the head. Cause I'm steaming mad. And by the way, when you see my dad, tell him that I slit his throat in this dream I had. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is who? My name is what? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is what? My name is who? My name is Slim Shady. Hi, my name is who? My name is what? My name is Slim Shady.
Where has that finger been? Shut up, Dodo!
Is there a problem, boys?
Why are you walking so funny, Cartman? God damn it, they didn't do anything to my ass! It was just a dream! Yeah, whatever, you fat bitch. That's a little joke.
play the right music, getting in the swing, you've come to look for a king. Anybody could be that guy. Night down and music, when you hear the right music, everything's fine.